on to it. Pause before you get started. Subscribe if you're in the Skill Squad. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So now let's get on. Guys, I'm so excited to try it on. Look at these. These look so cute. Because look, guys. Look. A brush, I like a pink brush, and a dabber. The crown broke a little. Now we have in here, like, it looks like a big dollar, guys. Looks like a big ginormous dollar.
Money!
Hey, we don't care about that. Now these are lip glosses, and now let's get started putting them on. Let's do it. Let's put this on and try it. Subscribe if you can't see it. Mom. So I love it and very pretty. It feels really soft and it looks very pretty. Now let's do on the red one. So the next one is this red one. Wow, it's so dark. And it looks super good and 10 out of 10. And it looks very good. The pink one was a 10 out of 100. It's a little pinker than red. Now we're going to try this. This is very easy to wipe off too. Wow, it looks gorgeous, guys. It feels really soft. This is like a 1,000 out of 1,000. It's like out of 1,000 out of 1,000. I really like it, guys. Now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. Guys, I can't really see it. Let's put some more on. I can't really see it. And I like purple, pink, and blue. I'm gonna blend them all together. Let's go. It's good. Guys, it's sparkly. Wow. Guys, that looks so good, guys. Wow. Now let's put eyeliner. Guys, it looks so pretty. I love my wing eyeliner. It looks like a wing and a wing. 2 wings. My eyes are flopping. Now we're going to do blush. You're supposed to blend this thing on your cheeks. It's called blush. Wow, it's really pink, guys. It's supposed to be pink, but I can't really see it. So, guys, we have one more guess. These are lip glosses. They're yellow blue, and orange. I want blue because it looks really good. This one comes with its own brush. It looks so little. You can like use your finger or the brush if it's hard. Make sure you wash your hands. I'll add yellow too. So this is my completed look. Blue, pink, yellow, purple eyeshadow. I got brown winged eyeshadow. I put on pink blush, can't really see them. Blue and yellow lip squat blah. And the crown one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my rock up look. Oh, bye guys. Smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Bye.